Welcome back to the channel, gents. Kaizer Chiefs doing whatever it takes to try and get Ulangelehle Phili to Nacho Rena. They've now added Ugiven Msimango as part of the swap deal eyenziwayo by Kaizer Chiefs and Stellenbosch to try and get Ulangelehle Phili to Nacho Rena. Gents, let me know your thoughts in the comments. How do you feel about this one? Our defender who was slowly coming back. We saw him at the end of last season. He was getting his form back. He was playing crucial games for us, and he was playing really good. With Aiden McCarthy gone, I think at the back, Kaizer Chiefs were a little bit vulnerable because we only bought Uthabo Moloisane, Zeta Kwiniga getting old. I thought Kaizer Chiefs would not want to lose another defender, but now we are reported by Mazola Molefe, SABC journalist, ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs are considering, okanye they've offered Ugiven Msimango to Stellenbosch as well. Is this a good thing to do? Because I think at the back now, how many defenders do we have? Center backs, I think we have 4, not more than 4. Rushen Dotl, who's slowly coming back, a player that you cannot really rely on. He's always injured. Hopefully Umjita is not going to stay injured for a long time, because if we lose Msimango sisengxakini. Okay, Dotl, Miguel, Mandimbalu Cross, because he has been played as a center back under the new coach Uta Cruz. Okay, who else? Moloisane. 4 center backs. Lapho kumele sidlale ntoni? MTN 8, CAF Confederation, Blake Label, the league as well. Gents, Nedbank as well. So many competitions with 4 center backs. Angeke survive. Angeke, gents. If Given Msimango is gone, we are in trouble. Msimango is one of the players that we really needed in this competition. He has experience, he has everything. You guys know. Leadership qualities as well. Leadership qualities. Hey, English is killing me. But you guys get what I mean. He was a captain at TS Galaxy, and he has been at Kaizer Chiefs for a very long time. I think more than 3 years now. Even though he has been struggling with injuries in the past 2-3 years, Kodwa Umjita is that guy that you don't want to lose just like that. Kodwa again, let's have a look at things in a perspective. Kaizer Chiefs, they lost Ulilepo. Lilepo is leaving. It has not been confirmed. That we know he's leaving. He's leaving. He's thank you. I think awakabhalwa with my social media to thank you for your service. What awakabhalwa. Kodwa we know he's leaving. So Kaizer Chiefs, before Lilepo we already needed a winger that can score goals like Ulilepo, score and assist like Ulilepo. With Lilepo leaving, it forced the Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi they have to go and get someone exactly like Ulilepo who can give you goals and assists. Because losing a player, a key player like Ulilepo, you just cannot sit and be like, I'm gonna dizoqhuba ngaba ndinabo abadlali. You cannot. Lilepo is a key player. We need to replace him, and Kaizer Chiefs are forced. They are acting out of desperation. But does it mean we have to sell okanye offer players like this? Given Msimango, I don't think we should be doing this. I don't think we should be offering them Given Msimango, because we are in short of defenders as well. We should be buying another defender, in fact. So offering them Given Msimango, I don't think it's a good idea. We can offer them another player. We should have offered them at least Umthetwa back as well. I'm not saying Umthetwa is a bad player, but I'm just making an example. In that middle of the park, bakhona abadlali, we have a lot in that middle of the park. Why would you offer a player that we also need? No. I disagree. Completely, I disagree. I don't even know how to speak English now because Kaizer Chiefs are getting in my nerves. We can't afford to lose with Given Msimango, in my opinion. But you guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments. How do you guys feel about Kaizer Chiefs losing with Given Msimango? Let me search how old is Given Msimango, because I believe he's not even in his 30s yet. Given Msimango, how old is he? He's 29 years old. He can play for 5 years. He can still offer us 5 to 6 years. Very good defender. I think if he overcomes his injuries, I think he could help us a lot. So losing a player like Given Msimango in a season where we're going to be playing a lot of competitions, CAF Confederation, Nedbank, Carling Blake, league MTI gents ngeke. It's not a good idea. Offer them another player. There are news as well that Umdu Shabalala has removed some pictures that had to do with Kaizer Chiefs. Does it mean he is leaving? Let me know in the comments. Kodwa again, let me search him on Instagram and see if it's true or not. Duduzi Shabalala. Duduzi Shabalala. Nazi nje izithombe. Nazi izithombe wearing a Kaizer Chiefs. Like, why are people lying? Duduzi Shabalala is still crucified. He's still crucified, gents. He's not going anywhere. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs would be stupid enough to lose or to let a player like Duduzi Shabalala go in a season where they've not signed enough players. I don't think they would be stupid like that. Umazula Molefe, SABC journalist, has confirmed that Ashley Dupreez is on his way to Ilento Stellenbosch. Today he will be, I think, uzolala Cape Town. Already, I think Cape Town. Maybe he has already been there. He was already there just to finalize his things. His move to Stellenbosch, Yona Eyenzegayo. And then Utu Ulomcheta given him Simango is a move that is still in a talking stage. Basakhuluma ngayo. Given hand, I think we need to talk about Uncle Gav. Uncle Gav, I think he's the one who's saying that I'm not going to lose an important player like and then you guys offer me just to do President player. I need another player from you. I need to weaken your squad as well. Hey, Malumu Kevin Hunt, go to the gents. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Simango to Stellenbosch, just like that. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.